Dive deep into a specific niche or theme for your content. Whether it's dance, comedy, or a unique blend, having a clear focus makes your content more relatable to a specific audience. Craft engaging content. Creativity is key. Develop content that not only follows trends and challenges, but also adds your unique twist. Think outside the box to capture the attention of your viewers. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Here's a breakdown based on optimal upload times. Monday, 12 p.m., 4 p.m. Tuesday, 4 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 3 p.m. Wednesday, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Thursday, 5 a.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m. Friday, 1 a.m., 11 a.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. Saturday, 5 p.m. Sunday, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 10 p.m. Utilize trending hashtags. Supercharge your visibility by using popular and relevant hashtags. Stay on top of trends and incorporate trending hashtags into your content. Engage with your audience. Foster a community by responding to comments, asking questions, and genuinely interacting with your audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely your content is to be shared. Collaborate with other creators. Join forces with fellow TikTok creators in your niche. Collaborations not only expose your content to new audiences, but also foster a sense of community within your niche. Optimize your profile. Your profile is your digital identity. Ensure it's appealing with a clear profile picture, an intriguing bio, and links to your other social media accounts or platforms. Use captivating thumbnails. Make a killer first impression with eye-catching thumbnails. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly increase the click-through rate of your videos. Leverage TikTok features. Stay on top of the latest features TikTok has to offer. Experiment with filters, effects, and transitions to give your content a fresh and engaging look. Share on other platforms. Don't limit yourself to TikTok. Cross-promote your content on other social media platforms to drive traffic to your TikTok profile. A broader reach means more potential for virality. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to going viral. Keep experimenting, analyzing your analytics, and adapting your strategy based on what works best for your unique content and audience.